I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in day 11 of the Jelly Postcard Play hosted by Carrie Griffiths. He's Carrie the Crafter. And so we are just to use Jelly Plate and put our number of the day on there. And I've got this teeny tiny number 11. So I want to get it on there before I lose it. Okay. And I'm going to just add, got my jelly print here, got my face made. And I don't know how this is going to turn out. I am just stuff I had laying around on my desk that I kind of want to use up. This was I cut out a piece on the back and this was left over, but I just thought that was too neat to just toss. So I am going to use that and try to get my flowers to go around it. And this is just from a magazine or a book. I can't remember. Feels kind of like a magazine, but who knows. Okay, so I want to get that down first, and I'll get my tiny little number 11 down here so I don't lose it. And I've got these pretty stickers. I love using these. So I just kind of want to go around to camouflage where that is. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to kind of cut around these and kind of lay them out. And hopefully them being kind of clear, it'll look good. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. See, I like that. That camouflage is pretty good. And get that white flower and that greenery there. I don't know about the yellow. Do want to kind of cut as close to the edges as I can. It's the only thing about these stickers, I really love them, but they you have to cut them yourself, and they're, you know, kind of that plastic. But at the same time, sometimes there's like little dots and elements and things that you can use on them as well. Let's see, I had another. There it is. Okay. Just kind of put that down right there. There. Let's see. Here's some white. I do love these stickers. Like that. Now let's see if I can. Now the key is layering these up once I get them cut out. maybe one more bit of greenery. Right there before. Now that's pretty. So I'm going to start with this. And I'll just keep adding until I'm happy, I guess. Sorry, this is, usually I don't have too much trouble with these stickers. I do have glue on my hands. I went too high, but I do have more greenery. Okay. Got that. That. Got that. And I think these little leaves here, I'm just gonna tuck around it. Right, I like that. Okay. So now let me round my corners here. I'll need to tack that down for sure. There we go. I think that's kind of pretty. I love the gold that's in the flowers. Well, I'm happy with that. Simple, easy, mostly stickers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Carrie Griffith's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag GelyPostcardPlay, and that's GELY. So until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.